The Maverick been sitting here thinking about it. Lolo Bernard and Kingston College, them come under a whole heap of pressure when they lost out in the Manning Cup. But when you look at it objectively, this is Ludlow's third season at KC. Last year, he win the Walker Cup. This year, he win the Super Cup. That cannot be a bad record. I mean, everybody says KC is a big team and they have superior depth and quality and should have win at least 3, if not all 4 titles up for grabs. But is KC really that much better than all the other teams that them guaranteed to win? Football no works out. The margins between winning and losing at this stage of the season is very small. And when you factor in the different competitions and the amount of tough games and the intensity of these games in such a short space of time, it is not easy to win multiple titles in schoolboy football anymore. But again, me know and you know say, is the Manning Cup KC did really want. 31 years in the wilderness is a long time for a school like Kingston College. And me still hold to my point that if you are the best team on ability and you play to your potential, you're supposed to win. And KC lost 3 of the 4 titles, including the most important one. And they lost it in games that mattered most. And that simple means, hey, them never peak at the right time. But again, they did lose to a very strong St. Andrew technical team that remains the only unbeaten team in the Manning Cup this season. So it's not a soft swap side, BKC. So yes, Ludlow Bernard and Kingston College have had a pretty decent season. Coach, me not apologize, but me just a review some of the criticisms. Some of the criticisms are up for review. Right, Coach? Good seasons are good seasons.